Hello everyone. I'm showing a series of a few videos here on a differential issue or a supposed differential issue that I get a lot of questions about. Vibration. Well, this is a rear I built. It came back to me. I built it about a year and a half ago. And the client is complaining about a vibration issue now. There was never an issue with this rear end, but there seems to be one now. And I told the client that it's more than likely he has an axle problem, but most people refuse to really hear that. So this is going to be a series of videos on that situation, and hopefully people will get the message is not spending money on something they don't need to, but look at something that is actually causing their problem. Okay, we're back here again. I'm going to pull this drain plug out. The rear has been drained previous to it arriving to me. And when we get to the magnet, there's stuff on it. And if you see that chunk right there, that's a piece of the LSD. That's a clutch plate that's inside the helical gear LSD, more like a washer, wafer washer. And this is a common occurrence when age happens, shock, things like that. So we're going to have to replace those plates inside that LSD. These are not items that can be replaced normally. They do not make replacement parts for these things, but I have an inventory from over the years, about 20 of them, that I've saved stuff for people just for this occasion. All right, we'll go to the next one. This flange runs nice and true, so we know we don't have a flange problem there. Again, nice and true, no flange problem there. And I'm really bad at this video crap, so we're going to try to do the best we can showing our input flange here. Okay, I don't know if anybody can see that, but she's running nice and true. So we don't have input flange issues. We don't have output flange issues on the CV axles, so everything's good there. Got the cover off. It's a little dark in there, but it's okay. Nothing bad to see here. And we're going to go ahead and check this backlash. I already set this up just for the convenience of having, time on this video, since they're just little shorties. But you can see that we got about 3,000s backlash, 2.8, just about 3,000, 2.8, 3,000s backlash. Okay, which is probably where I set it at a year and a half ago, so virtually nowhere. Awesome sauce. Really, really nice. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to check this pattern. I just got done whiting up this thing. Check pattern. And it's really good. There's really no issues there whatsoever. So we don't have a contact problem. Sorry about the shaky video, guys. Like I said, I don't know how to edit. I don't know any of that stuff. I just know how to fix stuff. But as you can hear, it's really smooth, quiet. Backlash is on the money. So this rear end, really, there's nothing wrong with it. This is not the vibration issue that this client is experiencing. So I will take the LSD out of it, repair that, and put it back together. This is a putty mod axle. This is actually a stock built putty mod axle, and you can tell this by the color. See, it's silver. If this was a performance axle by me, everything would be black. Not just this end, but that end. This is just a stock built axle. This is going to be your problem right here. This is what you need. Where you're going wrong at is in here. There's usually wear, burrs and stuff, and this is what causes that vibration. So that's my shameless last video of this situation. Hopefully people will understand. You need a good axle. Only a Honda axle will do. Do not buy aftermarket axles. You'll be sorry. This man has put 4 sets of axles in it from different auto parts stores, and he still vibrates, so he thinks it's this thing right here, and it's not. It's this thing right here. Hey, hi everyone. This is that LSD that had that little broken ear on it, on the magnet. I cleaned the magnet off. You can see that little piece of metal there. And that's from one of these here, washer clutch plates. You can see how it's broke off there. And you know, these are the damaged ones. And over here, got a nice fresh set of new ones to put in. Again, I'm the only game in town. Nobody has these parts. Nobody makes these parts, not even Honda. So we'll make this LSD good as new here. Okay, all buttoned up here now, back together, and test. I don't know if I'll be able to do this, but let me give it a try. Right there, there we go. Yep, turns perfectly good now. All our insides, perfect LSD. Good for another 100,000. Okay, here we go. This is your LSD. You can see it works perfectly fine now. All right, that's that. Now we're going to turn the entire assembly to show you that it turns smoothly. Without any vibration issues or bumps in it or anything like that. And we're going to go ahead and show you the backlash here. So you've got an idea of how good that is as well. No hang-ups, no tight spots. Everything right on the money. All right, we're going to go ahead and seal it up.